What to do if your ex only reaches out to you on holidays. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to talk about this situation. That's a man sent me some email and telling me, Alex, my ex-girlfriend is only coming back for holidays. What should I do? Should I see her or not? I know it's a difficult situation because you love your ex. I know that you're just wanting to get back together. It's maybe someone that you feel that it's the love of your life. The problem here is if you let your ex coming back just texting you or calling you just on holidays, this will not help us to rebuild a relationship. A relationship, it's not part-time, it's full-time. So, advice that I can give you in this video, number one, you need to rebuild yourself. If your ex is always coming back during the holidays, I guess it's because you didn't really rebuild yourself and your confidence is not really here. And this is why you need to work on yourself. This is why you have a challenge. You have something to do to rebuild your personal life. So tips number one, just watch all of our videos, going to the gym, doing yoga and meditation, socializing, doing new activities. You need to have a life where you feel happy and confident. Because if not, your ex will always know that he or she can come back when they want. And this is a problem for us. So I'm not saying that we cannot talk to your ex on holidays. But the problem is if we are needy or if your ex is taking you for granted, we will not be able to get back together. So tips number one, you need to rebuild your life. Tips number two, it's all about emotions. You can talk to your ex and you can see your ex on holidays. If you spend just an amazing time together and you can control your emotion, that means not talking about your love, not talking about your relationship, not giving a kiss to your ex, not showing love. If you can control the fact that your ex will have to do the first step all the time, I guess we can change this balance of power. We can come back as a challenge, which is really important for us because we don't want to give all the attention to your ex. So tips number two, when you will talk to your ex, just show that your life is amazing. I want you to really show to your ex that your life is different. And the same thing, when you will see each other, you need to always have these new emotions. You need to create something different because, remind you, we don't want to be in the same pattern. We want to create a new page. We want to open a new page to your relationship. Tip number three, it will be really important to set boundaries. And nothing is more powerful than to say to your ex, thank you so much for reaching out to me during your holidays. I know you're missing me sometimes and sometimes you don't care about me. But you know what? I just moved on. I just realized that this was not what I need or what I want in my life. So I prefer to not see you and to not talk to you until you change, until you become the real person that I really love, because now it's not yourself, it's not you. If you can really say these words and feel powerful, your ex will realize every mistake that they were doing. If not, they will continue to do the same pattern because they don't realize how much painful it could be for you. They don't realize their behavior. They need to set some boundaries, but don't do it if you feel weak, because then I can guarantee you that you will lose the control of your emotions. You need to be strong, you need to be confident, and you need to be okay with all of these words saying, I've changed so much. This is not what I want. This is not the relationship that we deserve. So no, I don't want to see you, I don't want to talk to you until you change. Until you change is really important because this is where you're putting your ex in another situation. It's not you getting back your ex, it's the opposite. Your ex will have to get back to you. And this is something really powerful. If you have any question, if you want to share your situation, your story, feel free to do it in the comment section just right below and I will be here to answer your single question. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Every single day we can change your love life. Together, if you come on withmyexagain.com, you can book a private coaching session with me. And then together, we can make sure that your ex will not come back just on holidays, that it will be a real relationship, not just for sex, not just for casual dating, not just for having fun, but a real relationship, not part-time, full-time. I will see you soon for a new video, guys. Bye-bye.